Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ujjwal Singh and this is Apex Sandbox.io challenge series. So in today's video we are going to solve problem number 129, student missing info. So before starting the video, if you like my content, do hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. So let's begin. So this problem belongs to database 101 series, and to solve this problem you need to install uh, this apexsandbox.io package in your org. Okay, so in our early video I have shown you how we can install this package in our org, so you can also find the link for that video in the above I button. Okay, so let's see what's the problem is. So we need to implement this method that queries or returns the list of all the active students records in which email, phone number or both are missing. Okay, so we need to return the list of those students which are currently active in the system and for which either email or a phone or both are missing. Okay, and we need to return ID and name of those such students, and the list should be in a alphabetical order like from A to Z. Okay, so let's see how we can implement the same. So I will create a list of this type custom objects and let me name list as student equals to. Okay, and we will write select query ID name from Pexio student, where first we will check whether the user is active or not. So we have this field. Okay, so you can find those fields like these are the fields: active, email, phone and register number. Okay, so we need to check this field as a true, like the record should be active. Okay, and then we will check the another condition, that is or condition email equals to null or equals to null. Okay, let me close this bracket here and I will sort the records by name. Okay, so that's it, our query is completed. So it is fetching all the active records and either email is null or phone number is null or both null. Okay, and this list of students will be sorted by name field. Then we have to return this list. Okay, so our code is completed. We have fetched all the records which are required, like the active students for which email or phone number is missing. So let's test this code whether it's working fine or not. Yeah, so all the test case has been successfully executed. Okay, if you have any concerns, any doubts, do let me in the comments and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.